You cannot get ready for the war in the middle of a war. You have to prepare for that. Right? You cannot get ready for your season in the middle of the season. That's not how it works. That's why basketball teams, football teams, all these sports, they have preseason, they have off season, so they can work out the kinks. They can go through game plans. They can go through all these things. So by the time the season comes, everything from there is pretty much easy. They're already in shape. They already know all the plays. Now, from that point on, they just adjust as, time goes. They just adjust, depending on who they're playing, who they're going up against, and you just go from there. So that's the issue. Your moment is getting ready to come, but you have to prepare for that. A lot of you want $1 million or you want to be a millionaire, but you're not doing anything that a millionaire would do to get the $1 million. Like you think, oh yeah, I don't manage my money well right now, but once I get $1 million, I'm gonna be able to manage it. No, that's not how it works. If you cannot manage the little money that you have right now, you're not gonna be able to manage $1 million. You may not even get the $1 million to even see if you can. So you have to practice certain habits right now. So by the time the $1 million comes to you, you already know what to do. You already know how to act because you practiced, you prepared. Your habits are already built in. Your foundation is already set. You already have a strong one. So you need to think about that. For you to become a millionaire, you have to believe and you have to think and you have to act like one. Before you become a successful business owner, you have to think, you have to act like one. Before you become the next big thing, you have to think and you have to act like you're the next big thing. You have to operate in a certain way to get the thing that you want. Because I guarantee you, all the super successful people in the world, they're not playing video games all the time. They're not hanging out all the time. They're not doing anything to jeopardize their money, to jeopardize their business, to jeopardize what they got going on. They're not doing any of that. Everything that they're doing is very, very strategic. And those habits were built from the start.